Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this booster fan from NEXUS. I've been looking for a nice booster fan because I've got an area in my house that I'm going to show you that never can quite keep the right temperature because it's next to a lot of electronics. And so this came along, and I was sent this, and it's very nice. I asked for the darker one that's more of a bronze color that goes with our finish. It's got a nice digital display, very slim design, 2 fans, along with a plug and a remote in the box, as well as an instruction guide. Let me go out and show you how easy this thing is to install. This area next to this window, it does have a vent, but it's next to a lot of electronic equipment, everything for our stereo, and so it doesn't ever keep a real consistent temperature. So if you come in, I'll show you. Back here we have our standard vent that was in the house, right down here. But again, it doesn't seem to put out enough heat or cool air. This one here, you've got to measure, make sure it's the right size for your vent, but will actually just drop right in over place of where the old one was. And then you do have to have access near it to a plug, which this one happens to have one because we're near all the electronics over here, and we're just going to plug that in. Now what this does is it will set up to be a booster fan. Whenever your temperature reaches a certain threshold, it will kick on, and then also when your HVAC is running, it will then boost and force more air or less air to maintain the temperature that you have preset on here. And of course there's little protective plastics and stuff over the top of this I haven't peeled off yet, but you can set your cooling temperature that you're wanting to have, or a heat temperature that you're wanting to have, and then you have your fan speed. Now right now it's on speed 2, it goes all the way up to 10. I will crank it up here to 10 so you can hear the maximum decibels that this produces, which is not a lot, but it does definitely kick on a fan. So it is blowing air, and my system is not even on in the house. That's as loud as it gets. So here's the remote that you can use with it. It does have a light button that allows you to turn off or on that display. This does come with a magnetic back. It's a sticky 3M piece that you can stick on the wall, and then it allows it to magnet this piece to the wall so that you can stick it on a wall or a piece of furniture so that you don't lose this.